In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email templates in Gmail. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have templates turned on and ready to use so you can save time writing the same kinds of emails over and over again. Let's start right inside your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account in your web browser, since this feature is easiest to set up on a computer rather than a phone or tablet. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When you click it, a quick settings panel will slide open on the right side. This panel shows some basic options, but to enable templates, we need the full settings view. Near the top of that panel, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on See All Settings to open the complete settings page. You should now be on a page with multiple tabs running across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and others. Look for the tab labeled Advanced. Click on the Advanced tab to open more specialized features that aren't turned on by default. On the Advanced Settings page, scroll down until you find the section called Templates. This is the feature that lets you save and reuse common email messages instead of typing them from scratch every time. It's especially useful if you send a lot of similar replies like confirmations, follow-ups, or status updates. Next to Templates, you'll see options to enable or disable this feature. Click on Enable to turn templates on. Once you've done that, don't forget one important step. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and your new setting will take effect. After templates are enabled, you'll be able to create and insert them while composing an email. Just start a new message, type the content you want to reuse, then open the More Options menu, choose Templates, and save your draft as a new template. From then on, you can quickly insert that template into any email. And that's it. You've successfully enabled email templates in Gmail, and you're ready to work more efficiently with your messages.